Hello, wordsmiths and storytellers. Welcome back to 333 Ways to Earn with ChatGPT. Today, we're diving into the 16th video of this series with an idea that's straight out of a bestseller list: earning by offering ghostwriting services for books with the help of ChatGPT. Yes, you can turn your love for writing, or just organizing ideas, into a full-blown income stream, all while staying behind the scenes like a literary ninja. Let's dive in and write your way to success. Why ghostwriting is a hidden gem. Books take time, lots of time. And while everyone has a story to tell, not everyone has the time or skill to write it. Enter the ghostwriter. You help people bring their ideas to life, and they're more than happy to pay you handsomely for it. Think memoirs, self-help books, novels, the possibilities are endless. How ChatGPT makes ghostwriting easier. ChatGPT is like the ultimate co-author. Here's how it helps. Outline the book. Ask ChatGPT to create chapter outlines based on the client's topic or ideas. Draft chapters. Feed it prompts like, write the opening chapter of a motivational book aimed at entrepreneurs. Refine the tone. Use ChatGPT to tweak the writing style to match the client's voice, whether it's professional, casual, or downright poetic. Fact-checking and research. Need quick stats or explanations? ChatGPT has your back. With AI as your writing partner, you can focus on crafting a story that flows while letting ChatGPT handle the heavy lifting. Finding clients who need ghostwriting. Your ideal clients are everywhere. Aspiring authors. People who've always wanted to write a book but don't know where to start. Business owners. Entrepreneurs love publishing books to establish authority. Celebrities or influencers. Many want to share their journey but lack the time to write it themselves. Advertise your services on Fiverr, Upwork, or LinkedIn. Or even reach out directly to professionals in your network. How much to charge? Ghostwriting is premium work, so don't undersell yourself. Start with $2,000, $5,000 for shorter projects, and up to $20,000 or more for full-length books, depending on the complexity. Adding your unique touch. Ghostwriting isn't just about typing words. It's about capturing someone's voice, vision, and message. While ChatGPT handles the technical writing, your role is to listen, understand, and make the story truly resonate with the audience. Why this idea is brilliant. Ghostwriting pays well, it's flexible, and it's rewarding. Plus, thanks to ChatGPT, you can speed up the process without compromising quality. Every book you help create is a feather in your invisible cap and a boost to your bank account. So, are you ready to become the ghostwriter behind the next big bestseller? If this sounds like your jam, hit that like button, subscribe, and comment below. What kind of book would you love to help write? Stay tuned for more creative income ideas in 333 Ways to Earn with ChatGPT. Until next time, keep writing, keep earning, and keep inspiring.